Hey guys, I'm Nick with a neighbor, and well, it just rained. And told you, natural path of the creek. So, I'm actually down here because I think I may have left my goggles down here. Yay! And I'm down here to check. What's this? Part of a paper cup, I think. Either paper or styrofoam. Ooh. A little bit happiness if I do that. Okay, and now just move these. Oh hey, another flood trail! Yay! Anyway, so yeah, just wanted to show you that when it rains down here, this does actually flow, but when it doesn't, it won't. So. Flooded creek reveal, I guess. That's nice and deep. Anyway, just thought I'd show you that. So, remember guys, dislike, unsub, and if you want range content, sub. It's actually going to do some target shooting, so. Till next time. Peace out.